trial.
Presenting the 2006 Ford F-150. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Passenger airbag. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Trial.